How to buy Saeed token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 7,000% in the last 24 hours. This token it's on the Binance or BNB Smart Chain network. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, open your BitKit wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain network. Click on this plus icon, paste the token address here, and as you can see, you'll be able to find this plus icon. Click on it to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Saeed. Now after you click on it, click here on swap, switch from here from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap here and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Saeed token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.